When I start a lettering piece, it always begins with a sketch. Nothing polished, just a quick outline to get the idea out of my head. I'm going to go through, do a rough draft, maybe one letter, think about the colors, if I want any embellishment, write myself some notes. Because I'm doing a project every day, this stage is pretty minimal. Once I have my rough draft, I move it into Procreate, and that's where the shaping begins. I draw the outline, often going back and forth between my sketchbook and what I have on the iPad, and adjust it until the structure feels solid. For this prompt, I added embellishments to the circus typeface. I then created a pearl stamp that allowed me to easily repeat it across the letters. I also used a clipping mask for my stripes, though in hindsight, I'd stick with leveraging the mask function instead of erasing the overlap, which would allow making later changes so much easier. After that, the creative part really kicks in. Start connecting the two layers together by drawing lines in the corners. This can feel tedious, but I think this is the workhorse that builds the letter form. From here, it's finishing touches, color, texture, and details that give the piece personality. This year's round, the Lettering Style Challenge, starts October 1st, which is coming up really fast. So if you're going to do the challenge, now's the time to decide if to pick a theme or just swing it. And if you found this video was useful, give it a like and subscribe so you can catch the next one.